Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you detailed insights on top-performing products in the market. In today's episode, we're spotlighting what we believe is the best eliminate shower cleaner. The Scrubbing Bubbles Daily Shower Cleaner Trigger, 32-ounce, pack of 2. Let's dive in. At first glance, the Scrubbing Bubbles Daily Shower Cleaner looks like your typical spray bottle cleaner. But what sets it apart is its no scrub, no rinse formula designed specifically for everyday use in your shower. It's developed to fight grime and soap scum before they have a chance to build up, making your weekly bathroom scrubbing sessions a thing of the past. Each pack includes two 32-ounce bottles filled with a fresh scented formula that's ready to go right out of the box. The spray mechanism delivers a consistent, wide mist that easily coats your entire shower area, tiles, doors, walls, and fixtures. What makes this product stand out is its ability to kill 99.9% of viruses and bacteria. That's not just marketing, it's a crucial feature, especially in a space like the bathroom, where moisture is constant and germs thrive. The formula goes to work on its own, breaking down and lifting residue, leaving your surfaces cleaner each day. You'll start to notice that soap scum doesn't settle, hard water stains don't etch into your glass doors, and mildew doesn't get a chance to stick around. This product is designed for daily use, so the more consistent you are, the better your shower looks and feels. The scent is light and refreshing, not overpowering. It's a nice bonus, especially for those who are sensitive to strong chemical odors. One of the best things about this particular pack is its value. Getting two full-sized bottles means you can place one in multiple bathrooms or have a backup ready to go when the first runs out. It's an economical solution for a task that no one loves but everyone needs to do. However, it's important to note that this product currently doesn't ship to certain international locations, including India, through Amazon. So, if you're trying to purchase from outside the US, you might need to explore third-party options or check local availability. It saves time, cuts down the need for heavy scrubbing, and maintains a cleaner, healthier shower environment effortlessly. Whether you're living alone or managing a family household, this cleaner adds noticeable convenience to your routine. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss an in-depth product review. See you in the next one.